Hey guys, the Collector 6819 coming back at you with a Total Memorabilia 2013 roster box break. This one is from Target, so you're guaranteed a hit per box, whether that's an autograph or a memorabilia. So we'll see what we get here. Hopefully this time, hopefully I get an autograph. The other box breaks I've done of this, I've gotten memorabilia, so hoping for an autograph, but you know what? You're guaranteed something, so shouldn't complain, right? Okay, we'll start at the back here. We've got a Jeff Gordon Memory Lane, a Smooth Operator Kevin Harvick, a Jimmy Johnson, a Brad Keselowski, and a Trevor Bayne fire suit card, not numbered. So that was our one hit. So there you go. That was one roster box of 2013 total memorabilia. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time.